Hi, boys and girls. This is Aiden and Miss Reg. We're teaching you third math,
Day 3 of foundational.
day 3 of foundational.
Okay, so thumbs up, thumbs down, okay? If it rhymes. Clapping, rapping.
Clapping, rapping.
Mango, tango.
Mango, tango.
Begin, dismiss.
Begin, dismiss.
Trailer, sailor.
Trailer, sailor.
Permit, enough.
Permit, enough.
All right, so I'm going to chop the words into syllables, and you guys are going to tell me the word. Beneath.
Beneath.
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
Recover.
Recover.
Motivate.
Motivate.
Inventor.
Inventor.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Applause.
Applause.
Very good. So now you guys are going to tell me the ending sound that you hear in the two words. So say the two words and then tell me the ending sound. Comic, magic.
Comic, magic. K.
Absent, recent.
Absent, recent. B. A.
So absent, recent. Finger, winter.
Finger, winter.
Magical channel.
Magical channel.
Donkey, honky.
Donkey, honky.
It was hockey.
Honky tonky.
Donkey, hockey. E. Delicious, promise.
Delicious, promise. That was fun.
All right, now you're going to chop it up into syllables. Display.
Display.
Estimate.
Estimate.
Decrease.
Decrease.
Translate.
Translate.
Modify.
Modify.
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
Between.
Between.
All right. Other.
Add
Add
mother.
Eggment. Add
Segment.
Eero. Add
Hero.
Handle. Add
Candle.
finger. Oh, told you the word. Anger. Add
Finger.
earring. Add
Cheering.
Usin. Add
Dozen.
Very good.
Dozen.
Wishing. Without the w.
Ishing.
Loading. Without l.
Odin.
Yellow.
Without
y.
Ello.
Garden. Without g.
Arden.
The beginning. Many. Without m.
Any.
Deeper. Without d.
Eeper.
Center. Without s.
Enter.
Very good. Okay. Bow. Change O to oi.
Boy.
Mouse. Change ow to oo.
Moose.
Took.
Change
the to an aw.
Muck.
Awk.
Talk.
Through. Change ew to o.
Throw.
Card.
Card.
Change r to or.
Core.
D.
Cord.
Gem.
Gem.
Change the eh to an er.
Drum.
J.
Drum. Jerome.
Jer.
Ger-
Hmm.
v-
Germ.
Germ.
Work.
Work.
Change the to an o.
Walk.
Woke.
Woke.
Starry.
Sorry.
Change the r to an or.
Story.
Hood.
Hood.
Change the to an r.
Hood.
R.
Hard.
Yep. Point.
Point.
Change the oi to an a.
Paint.
Very good. Awesome. That was day 3. Good job, boys and girls.
Thank you. Bye.